morning! Beautiful. So today I'm gonna do my summer morning routine, but more like vlog styled, I guess. Because I'm trying to avoid doing voiceover at like all costs because my voice doesn't sound very good. I'm gonna start my morning by eating a banana because I need energy and I'm super hungry and I can't open it. I'm gonna work out, and I'm not just doing that for the video. I just want to say that school ended like 1 week ago and I have a goal for the summer to try and work out like 3 times a week. And well, it's only been like 1 week, so far so good. So the time that I wake up is very different from day to day. Right, today I woke up at like 9. Right now it's 9:30. But some days I wake up at like 12. Some days I wake up at like 7. I don't know why. I don't really set an alarm. I just wake up, and today I happen to wake up at like 9. So hey, hey son. You. Oh yeah. Hey baby, what you gonna do? Yeah. So right now I'm obviously in my PJs. Mood. So I'm gonna change to some workout clothes and then I'm gonna run.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I'm dying. Oh, okay. Okay. I need water. So, I don't know if I said it in the beginning. I'm so tired. Whew. My morning routine isn't working out every single day. There's only like, this is the 2nd week of summer break, and my goal this summer is to work out a couple times every week because I haven't really had the time during school to like focus on my health. So now when I'm not doing anything basically, I want to focus more on my health. I want to get stronger because I have no muscles, and this is the only clip I filmed when I was working out. Like, I can't even do push-ups, so I have no muscles in my body. I just want to get stronger. Yeah, care more about my body basically. Now I'm gonna go shower. So I just put on my PJ again because I'm not ready to have like real clothes on. No. And it's almost 12. What the heck? I should probably make some breakfast because I'm hungry, and it's almost 12. I don't eat the same breakfast every day because that would be really boring, and I love breakfast. But today I'm feeling like eating an egg and some sandwiches, maybe like a toast or something. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is my breakfast, just like a toast with some butter, an egg, a glass of milk, and then I like to watch something while I eat because I'm eating alone, as you can see. So right now I'm watching Gilmore Girls. I'm gonna show you the freaking best thing in our living room. I usually don't wash my face in the morning because I usually just get pimples and stuff when I do that for some reason. I don't know why. It shouldn't be like that because I clean my face. So basically I'm just gonna brush my teeth, and that's like what I do in the bathroom. And because it's so hot outside and I'm gonna have to take a long walk with my dog, I don't want to wear too much makeup. I want to wear a little bit of makeup because I might film another video and I want to have makeup for that. But I'm not gonna do too much because I know I'm like gonna sweat it all off. If you want a better tutorial of how I did my makeup, like kind of glowy summer, very simple, I have done a video of that last year and I think it did kind of the same look, so I can link it down below or up there. Okay, so my outfit today is just going to be this like cute off-shoulder top from Zara and just a pair of normal jean shorts from Forever 21, and that's it. Very simple but cute. Now I just have to put on my shoes and I'm out the door.